Hey guys, so today we're gonna play some Farscape 2. So yeah, and we're on normal right now, and I think I'm almost to level 12, which is I'm very happy because why not? I think I'm gonna get I feel like I'm gonna get this button. I don't know. Because I got that button like for the third time I did, but I don't know. I'm scared to get that button. Because I feel like I'm gonna fall. I did that once before. I was gonna get that button, but I feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh. Okay. So. Okay, I think. There we go. I made it. Go up a little bit. Okay. So the trick is, if you like going in the water pod, and there's a button in the water pod, right? So trick is, you want to stay away from it, like don't go to it or anything like that. Stay away from it. Don't go to the water yet. If you see a pointing arrow that goes down, that's where the finish line is, and you won't lose it. Promise me, I do that a lot, because I didn't want to lose air. Oh, okay, there's a cheat in this one. Wait for the water that comes and go to the ladder. I learned that. And stay until please, I need the bridge to come. Yay, bridge come! Oh. Oh yeah, I found the cheat. The cheaty way. Oh, dude. Yeah, I found the cheaty way. You just go like that, it's easy. I just learned it from somewhere else. Fake that. Fake that. I want to do a fake that. Bye bye. Someone in the chat said bye bye. I think they'll leave in a game or something. Okay, it's a new map. This is a new map. I know this new map a lot. I don't beat it because I beat it 2 times, I think, but not on video. So that'll be excited if I beat it on video. It's because why not? Oh, I thought someone didn't get that button, but someone did. Well, that was actually really quick. Thank you, person. Someone actually who walked it. Oh, that was a bad idea. Why is he epic gonna just lock the to insane? I hope it's not the Lost Desert. Like, I have never beat that map for once. I have never, cause it's hard. Cause people think it's easy. If you guys think it's easy and you guys think why you hate Lost Deserts, sorry. It looks easy, but after when you do it, it goes harder and harder and harder. I don't know. By the way, I can lock the tooth safe, but someone else did, but I was going to know. But YT Epic did. Thanks a lot. Very much. Like, thanks a lot. You really helped my day. It comes true. Oh my god, I hate this one so much. I have never beat this one. Like, for what? Well, I never know this one. Like, instead, like, if you people beat this one, I need your account now. No, I was gonna jump. Why do you have to do that to me? Everyone died possibly. Okay, so it's the gloomy. Okay, someone actually. No. I wish it was Lost Deserts so I could go like because I know I hate Lost Deserts, but the latter part. Oh, I wish I was in the third part. That would be really fun though. Yeah, it will be really fun. Oh, and by the way, guys, I see like what's my social media vlog video thingamajiggy. As you can see, I actually said I might be doing cooking. Possibly not yet, but I got a secret ingredient I'm gonna do. I know, because I think I saw it on Instagram, like in my IG, and I know what I'm gonna do. It's Lost Desert. Stay in it. I didn't want this one. Why did you have to come for me? I just did nothing. Really? 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's a dream miracle. I just beat the latte. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna concentrate. No. This part I hate so much. This one. I'm just gonna, oh no. No, I hate those thingamabobs. I'm gonna walk consider them. And I feel like I can't do it. It won't let me lock it to insane. It hates me. I got secret ingredient for my cooking. I got secret ingredient. It's so fun. Like I love this. I saw it on my IG. I think. I don't know if it's in my IG. I think it's for Musical.ly though. It's so cool. Like I love it. I don't know what to call it though, but it's really cool. I want to be showing you guys how to make it. It's like, it's like, and then by the way, it has like Nutella in it. Nutella in it for some of you that are peanut free, like have peanuts, and can you guys eat Nutella? Because if it's canning Nutella, that's pretty good for you guys. But can you guys eat chocolate bars? Because I'm gonna make one of those, but like it's gonna be like so different. So comment down below if you like peanut free, nut free, or any free. Because I'll let out. Because I will see if you eat them. So, and if you guys are like peanut free, ask your mom or dad to like check it for you and see if you can eat it or not. Like if you can't eat it, that's okay. That's like great. Like that's so great. Yeah, but yeah, I can't do this one. I need to reset so bad. No. There's someone else to get the bottom in the end. No. Oh my god, I need to get up for a second. No, Mom, as was I saying, like I know I'm talking too much, but I'm sorry. Like if you guys are peanut free or not free, because I'm gonna be doing like thing video. But let me know if you can if you guys like the tower or not. Like if you guys still like or not feel that. Because I don't know if you guys are not feeling. You have to ask your parents to know. Cause I'm not your parents. Like your mom and dad are parents, okay? Like she's your mom. I don't know what to do in this map. Oh no, you don't do anything? Oh, you climb up. Oh, I get it now. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Subscribe down below. And I'm so sorry that I'm talking too much. But bye guys.